presentation is only information for personal use about the ingredients of the RAIN products. The RAIN international products and presentations are not for diagnosis or treatment of any medical condition. Medical treatment must not be stopped because of taking RAIN products. The product I will talk to you now is the Soul. This is the basic or the first product which should be in everybody's cupboard, and I believe this is one of the products that should be in the home pharmacy of everybody. This is a very rich product in the case of nutrients, the vitamins, the minerals. You can find everything in the Soul, and also it has a high level of antioxidants. So it helps your body to keep healthy, even the free radicals around our body. It has a strong anti-inflammatory effect also. If you look what's inside the RAIN Soul, black cumin seed, black roseberry seed, grape seed, and D-ribose. Why are these very special? The black cumin seed is one of those seeds that's been used for ancient times, long time, and it basically helps everything in the body. In the old name of the black cumin seed was cure for all, cure everything. It helps the bowel, the digestion, the absorption, reduce the inflammation. It is very strong against the viruses. And if you look at the seed nutrition, all of the seeds have lots of compounds inside that helps get rid of the viruses, the bacteria, and any other kind of germs, because the plant has to protect the seed. The seed is the most treacherous part of the plant, and that's why they have all of these ingredients inside. If you look at the black cumin seed, it got more than 100 active ingredients, and out of those, we got 6 that's proven to be effective against viruses, any kind of viruses, the chronic viruses, the acute viruses. So it is really good help to our body, any kind of virus infection. It is very strong antioxidant. It helps to fight against cancer. There have been lots of research to show that the black cumin seed is a very powerful herb against the cancer. It contains unsaturated fatty acids, which are, we call essential fatty acids, what our body really needed to absorb the fat-soluble vitamins and also to get rid of the toxic material from the fat tissues. And also the black cumin seed can help to reduce the number of asthmatic attacks. It helps support the lung health. We also have to emphasize the black cumin seed is a very powerful immune modulant, which means it's not only make the immune system stronger to enhance the immune system work in case of cancer or virus infections or immune deficiencies, but also it reduces the overactivity of the immune system in allergic diseases or autoimmune diseases. When the immune system is overacting, it can reduce this overactivity. So the two make a balance, and the black cumin seed is capable to balance, to harmonize the immune system, which is, I think it's a very unique thing. The next is the black roseberry seed. If you look at, if you compare with other foods, the black roseberries has a really high ORAC value. It helps the vision, the cardiovascular health, the memory. It reduces the risk of hypertension, and also it is very powerful anti-inflammatory, and the ORAC value stands for the antioxidant capacity. Also protect the blood vessels and anything in the cardiovascular system. The grape seed, we also know about how much it helps the cardiovascular system, the blood vessels. It can reduce the high blood pressure. It reduces the oxidative damage that's caused by the free radicals, but also improve the collagen levels in the blood vessels and also in the bones. It can support your brain health, the kidney functions, and also, because this is a seed, as the black cumin or the black raspberry seed, it can stop the growth of the viruses, the bacteria, yeast, or any other infectious things, the parasites, and also can reduce the risk of the cancer. The D-ribose is a natural sugar that's inside the product, and it helps to form the ATP. The ATP is the main storage and transportation unit of the energy. If you don't have enough ATP in your body, then basically you will feel tired, you don't have enough energy. But if we have the body with the D-ribose and other good kind of things, then our body can be full of energy. The D-ribose also used to make the NAD and FAD, these two molecules that's involved in the cellular respiration, and also it helps to form the RNA and the DNA, the genetic material in our cells. So it is very important, and not only forming the RNA and DNA, but it helps with the repair functions if something goes wrong in the cell division. So the soil, who we would offer to take the soil for people with these conditions? First of all, is overall well-being. If somebody wants to be feeling good, then the soil is an excellent choice. People with inflammation, including the bowel inflammations, except for the Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, because in those conditions, we don't want to give fibers to the patients. So we will have the soil red, another better choice for those people. But if someone's bowel inflamed because of food intolerance or anything, a virus or anything, it will be really good. The inflammatory bowel diseases, we would pick the soil red instead. Cardiovascular diseases, high blood pressure, diabetes, insulin resistance. It was proven that all of the ingredients can make the blood sugar level, can lower the blood sugar level, and also help the pancreas to form the insulin and help the cells to be more sensitive for the insulin. So altogether, this will help the blood sugar regulation. Any kind of immune problems, including immune deficiencies, viruses, or any kind of infections. And with the virus infections, including the chronic virus infections to Epstein-Barr, cytomegalovirus, or HPV viruses, bacterial infections as additional treatment. If somebody got pneumonia, they need to have antibiotics, but next to the antibiotics, we can give them the soil to help the body. Autoimmune diseases, as I said, the ingredients inside the soil, they can harmonize the immune system. So even Hashimoto thyroiditis or rheumatoid arthritis, you can take the soil. Cancer for prevention and additional treatment. This is a really good choice for people who get cancer or want to prevent cancer. And in case of cancer, we usually advise to take higher amounts next to the medical treatments, not instead of, next to the medical treatments. Infertility, including the male infertility, which we don't talk too much about it, but this is a big problem over the whole world. Lung diseases, asthmatic attacks, we also can advise the people. Sorry, I think I had one slide missing from here, but who we don't advise, the contraindications. If somebody is allergic to any ingredients, we don't advise them to take the soil. It is true for all of the products. If somebody got allergic to any kind of ingredients, then we don't give them that. The second is pregnancy. The black cumin seed had some research. They found that it have an abortive effect. So we don't want to cause risk to any pregnant woman. Maybe out of 100 times, 99 times, nothing will happen. But if that one was given by you, then you can be in trouble. So it is written on the box also. In pregnancy, we don't advise nobody to taking the soil. And if somebody is on anticoagulant therapy, blood thinning therapy, you have to be careful. You can use the products, but need to look at the coagulant parameters in the blood, the blood clotting parameters in the blood, and need to adjust the medications. But you can take it. It got lots of benefits if somebody got these kind of conditions, that you need to make sure that with the medical treatment, the level is good.